Welcome to Gemini Moto Vlog. Please like, subscribe and share.
Hi guys, I got a mode of this room because today is the last day here. Since my GoPro is already died, I will not be able to vlog anymore. So I'm planning to go back to Hyderabad and see what best I can do about it. I'm gonna depend on this Insta360 1 hour. So kindly bear with me and stay tuned. Let me see how well I can repair my GoPro Hero 10 and then we will proceed further. Okay, I'm really sorry guys, sorry for this kind of vlog. Appreciate you guys for being with me. Thank you. So this is how my room looks after after it's been used for just one day. It's totally messed up. It looks like a bachelor room today. Okay, so okay, hopefully I have taken everything and not mounted any camera on my helmet. I'm so really upset about it. This is so pathetic guys. Lost so many things and there is water dripping down from this AC. Luckily I removed all my gadgets. Okay, alright guys, done with it. We'll move. See you in the next step. Kilometer is 4890 and if you see the fuel tank, it is like full because I filled yesterday. So the time is now 2:47 p.m. Weather seems to be a little promising. Okay, let us start our ride. I'm starting my ride. So I have packed my bike like this. This is how I park my bike. Okay, since I will not be able to vlog anything, I have to cut short my ride. So I'm just going back to Hyderabad. This ride is from Bangalore to Hyderabad. Okay, this ride is Bangalore to Hyderabad. It says around 10 hours. Nothing happens. Safely we will reach our destination. Okay. See you guys on the road.
This is a nice toll road in Bangalore. They are charging for 48 rupees for this toll road. Okay.
What happened is right now I'm really tired, totally tired. I'm gonna stay here for some time, so take rest and then I'll start my journey again. Okay, this is a temple where you will not be able to see it from outside, but if you will not be able to see it from outside. I asked the tea stall fellow and he guided me here, so that is how I have come here and my bike is parked here. Okay guys, actually I'm staying inside the temple and the person has given me a bedsheet and a mattress. See, this is what it is. Feel so relaxed after a long drive. So I told him that I will stay here for some time and then I'll leave by 1 o'clock. So he said okay. Hopefully everything should go alright. Okay, see you guys. I'll take some rest and then I'll leave. So this is this temple I'm staying. This is so relaxing. I'm so happy to be here.
It's raining. The water has come in. Water has come inside the temple as well. Okay, water has come inside the temple. It's raining inside the temple as well, but I have pushed my mattresses little ahead. So this is how. Oh, I see a lot of flies flying out. There's my bike standing. Guys, now you see there is no current. I'm not able to see anything. It's pitch dark.
Okay guys, actually I'm leaving for now because it is already wet here. So I'm leaving, okay? Leaving from this place.
अंदर बारिश आ गई फुल वेट हो गई अच्छा मैं निकलेंगे
लेटर
हाँ मैं निकलेंगे थैंक यू भैया
जा रहा क्या?
हाँ जा थैंक यू भैया
अच्छा
So this is the room where I stayed here yesterday. What happened is yesterday it was raining heavily, so then I was not able to continue my. It was raining it was raining so heavily, so that I was not able to continue my vlog yesterday. But even then, Mad Dog was doing good. Yesterday I was not able to continue the ride, so then I had to take a room here in Hotel Serene. Me around 2,000 rupees per night. That is one day. They are asking they will not reduce any price, but they will charge only 2,000 rupees. If you want to stay, you can stay for 24 hours. That's what they said. So this is the room. Room looks very decent, but they are very much strict about the policy. They wanted Aadhaar card and all the other details, so I had to provide all the informations. The room is very neat. Look at it. The room is very neat. You got AC. You got heater, got TV, everything is there. Fan, good. Yesterday it was so chill, so I didn't need fan or AC, but then fan is still there. So this is the view. So now the weather seems promising, so then I'll start off my ride again, okay? Hope you guys like my videos. Please like, subscribe and share, okay? I'm doing all these things just for you guys. Please stay with me. Stay tuned. Thank you so much. Okay guys, got ready. See you in Insta 360 1-hour view, okay? So this is the room. I'm vacating this room. ₹1,000
So far completed 5,267 kilometers. and now it is saying like I need to travel for another 4 hours 20 minutes. It is time is now 11:18 a.m. Hopefully I would reach by 3:23 p.m. today. Okay. I've put petrol for 1000 rupees. Here it is 110 rupees. Here for lunch. This is Udupi Krishna AC Pure Veg. It is near Hyderabad. Actually, everything is double the rate. Literally, I'm feeling very tired. They have mentioned it is AC, but there is no AC. It's very costly, but I feel it is kind of cheating in the highway. What shall we do? We have to go with this. Keeping an eye on my bike. Now the time is around 1 o'clock. Have a look at this restaurant, guys. At first I thought it is real cheating on a highway, but I understood that they wanted to give something which is worth. They give a very good service, food. I'm totally satisfied. They give sambar, rasam. It's pure veg, curd, quality curd. Yesterday I had one fried rice in a roadside stall. He charged me around 180 rupees. For this food, definitely it is worth. They give sambar, curd, parpu podi, ghee, ice cream, banana. And definitely I would suggest you to come here and you can have your food. Leaving from here now. You will see this board on a highway, okay? This is the message you get. Don't forget to taste this. 4-star restaurant service, and staffs are walking really fast.
Just kindly click the link, click proceed to upload files, then click upload and click finish. You may upload one photo at a time. Let me know.